I'm sure that you all agree with me that talking to a camera is one of the most uncomfortable things to do when you start creating content. I know it was and it is still one of the hardest parts for me when I'm making a new video. According to a quick search online, the most common cause why this happens are self-consciousness about appearance and voice, or you simply think you're too ugly and sound bad, the fear of judgment and criticism. You're afraid of what people will think of you if they see what you're doing or if they watch your video, the lack of confidence or experience. You just never have done something like this before and don't know what to do or say. And to top it all up, this fear often compound each other. Self-consciousness makes people more awkward, which increases the fear of judgment, which further undermines your confidence. But the good news is that most of these anxieties diminish significantly with practice and exposure. But how do you get to that point? For me, and I know for many other people, what has worked was to make your first video. There is no secret formula, just a good amount of exposure therapy. Before I started creating content, I couldn't record a single video of myself talking to a camera. Sometimes I had to send introductory videos to get a new job and it would take me days. Even after I started creating content, I would create faceless videos. Until the day that I decided that enough was enough and recorded my first video and hit publish. And then it became easier and I became sort of better at it. Not really, but we're working on it. And this say, it is true that there is no secret formula, but there are ways that you can overcome your fears and become better at talking to the camera. And I personally tried them and it worked for me. The first one I found it in a YouTube video from Thomas Alex Norman, and in his video he gives a tip that is to record your first video and then delete it. And this makes a lot of sense because by doing this you take away that fear to how you look or sound or what other people or yourself think or feel about it, because you're not watching the video. And in the process you're also getting that confidence and experience that you lack at the moment. And I have to say that after doing it a couple of times, it gave me that first push towards recording that first video and publish it. If you want to know his exact breakdown of this strategy, I will be leaving a link below to his full video. Okay, so now I gain a little confidence and I can record a video of myself. But I still can't quite put all my ideas together, or I'm just not confident enough to articulate my thoughts in front of a camera. What it gave me the final push and changed everything was scripting all my videos. Taking the time to sit down and organize my thoughts before talking to a camera, it was a game changer. My first couple of videos, I would have an idea and go straight, sit in front of the camera and try to talk about it, like big YouTubers do. And the reality is that they have many years of experience that I don't have yet. So I couldn't do it. So I just started scripting my videos. And I know that may sound logical for many people now, but I just wasn't aware of that at the moment. There are two ways to go about scripting. One is to outline your thoughts and freestyle your main content following your outline, which is great, but still difficult for me to do. And the second one is to script the whole thing, which is what I do. I write my whole script, then sit here and try to deliver it as well as I can. It takes a lot of practice, but you get better with time. And just like that, you become used to listen and seeing yourself. And the more you listen and see yourself, the easier it gets to be in front of the camera. The only thing that I know for sure is that you only get comfortable with something by being uncomfortable many times. So the only true advice I can give you is to be uncomfortable. Record yourself 1, 2 times, many times, and I promise that it gets better. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.